Hello, and thank you for signing in for our Developer Series webinar program called Finance Options for Your Clients. Certainly in today's economic environment, everyone's looking for money. Money to finance and get deals done. And I'm happy to say that here at Wirt Financial and wirt-rivette, we provide a variety of finance products to include equity builder, lease purchase, conventional loan referrals to our colleague banks, as well as coordinating SBA transactions. We're going to talk specifically about a couple of these as they relate to Wirt Financial programs in the next couple minutes. For a number of years now, Wirt Financial has been providing our Equity Builder program, basically allowing our clients and our partners to achieve ownership, and every time they make that lease payment, they feel like they're building equity. That's why we call the program Equity Builder. In fact, this program provides 100% financing, which I'm sure you'll agree in today's economic environment just cannot be found anymore. Certainly without the client having to put down anywhere from 20 to 30% down, they'll have more money to grow their business. In the Equity Builder, Wirt and our clients form a joint venture LLC where they are 50% partner from day one. Let's take a look at how that looks in a schematic. As you note here, I've mentioned that joint venture LLC, we normally use the address of the property just so that we can keep track of a number of these that we have. And we use that LLC then to fund the transaction, the 100% I mentioned previously, to acquire the property, put up a building, or to buy an existing building. The client, as you see here on the screen, themselves personally and their corporate entity, signs a 10 to 12 year lease to the LLC, of which they're a 50% member. We actually fix the payment for the entire 10 to 12 years of the lease in the Equity Builder program, giving the client a great deal of assurance that that payment will not stay the same. In addition to the Equity Builder, we also provide lease purchase. And today we certainly know in the commercial mortgage environment and banking realities, there are many loans that are not being renewed. The lease purchase also provides up to 100% financing. In that scenario, we work with a client, for example, who may have a balloon coming due to actually buy the building and lease it back to the client for a fixed period of time. And usually after about 3 years, the client is able to secure a more traditional mortgage, or once they establish another banking relationship, look to repurchase that building back from us if in fact that is their intentions. The structure of that lease purchase, like the Equity Builder, is normally 10 to 12 years. Our programs are based on a triple net lease. And we do offer flexible startup payments with catch-up payments, for example, later on in the term. But we tend to customize the transaction to meet the client's needs, whether Equity Builder or lease purchase. As mentioned earlier, there certainly are a lot of banking constraints for developers. And I know you're challenged to help your clients put up their buildings given those constraints. In many cases, some of your clients may want to look to do a remodel or an addition. They may have equity in their building where we can actually do a sale leaseback. We can buy that building, leverage the assets that are provided in the equity in the building, and then lease it back to them for a fixed term with the option to, again, repurchase it back from our group of investors. In this regard, you're again providing a finance solution to the client so that you're able to help them complete their expansion by leveraging the equity that they have in their current building. To note, we also do sale leasebacks on equipment. And in some cases, the commercial property, we do a sale leaseback, and the equipment inside if the amount is such that we have to do both. In either situation, the client is obtaining the capital required for the expansion, and you're able to continue to support them in your developer or builder role. We've got a couple different examples to show you in terms of our Equity Builder, just some great folks that have wonderful businesses here in mid-Michigan. You see here our friends Eric and Tiffany Jaime, and we did an Equity Builder there, very similar to the structure that you saw in the earlier slides, and they were able to pursue their dream of purchasing a very successful Montessori program. It's in fact a children's educational house located in Midland, Michigan. We're also able to work with Juanita and Mark Bovan, June's Floral Company. Juanita walked in one day with her business plan, and the bank had turned her down, and I saw that fire in her eyes and we moved forward with Bonita. We did an equity builder. She's got a very successful flower shop down in Flushing, Michigan. And we were also able then, after we did the equity builder program, provide her 3 equipment leases that supported her growing business. We also did recently, in fact, about a year ago, a $1 million equity builder for a neurosurgeon in mid-Michigan in a combination for his office as well as a healthcare complex where there's several other healthcare-related tenants that are occupying that building. So whether it's a flower shop, a school, manufacturing, or healthcare, the equity builder, lease purchase, or sale leaseback are all programs that Wirt Financial would be happy to discuss with you. Our goal today was just to help share a few of our programs that by working together we can help you complete more projects. Design, build, finance, it takes all 3. We're very happy to chat with you, give you a quote, come by your place and chat some more about the projects that you just can't get financed. Please give us a call or visit our website. We look forward to seeing you at a future webinar. Thank you.